Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is the first in a series of videos that will tell you how to manifest fast. So if you're interested in the law of attraction, this will help. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the overview here, and then in the next videos I'm going to take each of these points in turn and explain them more in depth, okay? But I just want to give you the main steps to go through so you can get started with it and it will help you. So how to manifest fast in 2021. If you want to see how to do this and you want to get to the steps quickly, do check out your free guide. You'll find it at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I give you a free guide that gives you a simple 3-step process to manifest, and I also show you what I've been able to manifest as well, so you'll be able to see that there, and that will tell you exactly how to manifest. You'll find it at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. Okay, so here we go. The first step, what you want to do is know exactly what you want. You want to be very clear on what you want. Keep it within your belief to start. The reason I put that as a little bullet point is it's easier to start with something that is believable to you. So what I mean is you shouldn't limit your beliefs in one side, but you definitely want to start with something that is within your belief to start, so you can see this unfolding for you. So if it was money, think about manifesting the money that you need for groceries, for the bills. Think about manifesting even more money than that. But what I mean by within your belief is if you go, right, I want 300 million, and you've never seen that amount of money or no way of making it, maybe you shouldn't limit yourself, but I find it easier if you do to begin with, just to get it working, okay? What you don't want to limit is the way it's received. So you don't want to say, I will receive the money this way or that way. Just manifest it, okay? You're just going to leave that bit open. What you want to do then is write it down and date it. Be very specific. It doesn't have to be money, but write it down and date it. The second thing is you want to take 10 minutes to visualize. Simple meditation, focus on your breath and relax, and then picture the money or the thing you want and visualize having that amount and feel how you would feel with that amount of money. And one of the things that can really help you with this is to start with the picture in your mind and then add all of the senses into it. So you've got your sight, you've got your hearing, you've got your taste, and you've got your smell. And as you add all of them into it, you know, what are you hearing, what are you seeing, what are you smelling, what are you tasting, it will work a lot better, and you'll be able to visualize. You want to try and do that every day, okay, and focus on the feeling. What you're going for with the visualization is the feeling of how it would feel with that amount of money. The next thing you want to do is relax and gratitude. So what I've put here, the main thing here is even without the gratitude, you want to cultivate a feeling of ease and flow, okay? So you don't want to struggle with anything, or you know, you want to have ease and flow and let your life be like that, because that's what will actually work for you. That's what will make this work for you. If you go about stressed and, you know, really stressed out and all of that stuff, it's not going to work. And if you go forcing it, it won't work. You want to go through a feeling of ease and gratitude. Okay, once you've done that, what you want to do, I've put 72 hours or sooner, but follow the signs. Okay, no forcing it. You will get impulses and signs, and if they don't come in 72 hours, just stay relaxed, know that they'll come. Your job though is to take action on the impulses and the feelings that you have. So what we're really doing here, which I'll talk about in another video, is raising your point of attraction by raising your vibration. By doing this, you're going to be in an easier state of mind, and that will increase your point of attraction because of the vibration that you're in. And that's really what you're doing it for, because you have to be on the same resonance as the thing that you want. If you want a lot of money, a lot of, you know, for an example, it's easy to measure, so we can pick money. If you want that, you can't have a lot of money. You won't attract that by feeling poor, okay? So you have to feel wealthy, and if you were to feel wealthy, what is that really? It's a feeling of ease and flow, okay? So just cultivate that. Take action on the impulses. I'm going to do another video, so don't worry if you're a bit confused. I'm going to do another video on each of these points. Get your free manifestation guide at attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and that will help you. You'll find that in the link below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. You'll find it in the description. It's free as well, and that will help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys.